Let us now look at Module 6, Establishing a Project. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this module, we're stepping into one of the most important phases of any project, establishing the project environment. Before any ducts, pipes, or cables are placed, Revit gives us a wide range of project-wide settings that shape how the entire model behaves. In this session, we'll explore the different types of measurement units, representation settings, and discipline-specific controls that every MEP modeler needs to understand. We'll look at how Revit handles connections, how graphical displays affect the way your model is interpreted, and why choosing the right representation early on can save you hours of rework later. From there, we'll move into the world of linked models, how to bring in architectural references, how copy/monitor works, and how coordination review helps you manage change across disciplines. This module is all about preparing your project correctly from the very beginning. Whether these tasks are handled by a BIM coordinator in your office or you're responsible for setting up your own models, it's essential to know where these controls live and how they influence your workflow. We'll wrap up with a practical exercise where we link an architectural model into an MEP project, copy and monitor levels and grids, and trigger coordination alerts to see how Revit manages change. By the end of this module, you'll be able to understand discipline-specific settings and graphical controls, navigate the mechanical settings available in Revit MEP, apply schematic design principles using symbols and line work, set up a project correctly from the start, collaborate effectively using linked models, copy/monitor, and coordination review. These skills form the foundation of every successful MEP project in Revit, and mastering them early will make your modeling workflow far more efficient. Okay, like I said, to begin with the exercise, you should open the settings model using the link, and you'll be prompted to open the architecture model as we go along. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the MEP settings model. Begin by opening the Revit file named WFP-RME2026-06-settings-A. This is the MEP project we'll be working in. Step 2. Open the East Mechanical Elevation. In the project browser, expand Elevations, Building Elevation, and open East MEP. Step 3. Set the discipline to Coordination. On the Properties palette, change Discipline to Coordination. This ensures the view displays elements from all disciplines, architecture, structure, and MEP. Step 4, link the architectural model. Go to the Insert tab, and on the Link panel, select Link Revit. Step 5, browse for the architecture model. Step 6, set positioning to origin to origin. In the linking dialog, set positioning to auto, origin to origin. This keeps both models aligned based on their internal origins. Step 7, load the link, click open. The architectural model will now appear in your elevation view and will also be listed under Revit links in the project browser. Step 8, open the 3D view, switch to 3D views arrow, 3D, and again set the discipline to coordination. Step 9, zoom to fit. Use ZE or ZF to zoom to fit and center the entire model. Step 10, return to East, MEP. Go back to the East, MEP elevation, so we can begin copying the levels. Step 11, set display model to halftone. In the Properties palette, change display model to halftone. This fades the architectural elements, making it easier to distinguish them from your MEP elements. Step 12, activate copy/monitor. Go to the Collaborate tab, select copy/monitor, and choose Select Link. Step 13, select the linked architectural model. Click on the linked architectural model to activate monitoring mode. Step 14, copy the levels. On the options bar, choose Copy, then select each architectural level you want to bring into your MEP project. Revit will create matching levels that are now monitored for changes. Step 15, finish copy/monitor. When you've copied all required levels, click Finish on the options bar. Step 16. Switch to a 3D view. Open the 3D view again to confirm that the levels have been successfully copied. Step 17. Open the south elevation. Now open south. MEP from the elevations folder. Step 18. Set discipline to coordination. Once again, set the discipline to coordination. Step 19. Activate copy/monitor. Again, go back to the Collaborate tab, choose copy/monitor, and select the linked architectural model. Step 20. Copy the grids. Choose copy, then select the architectural grids. These will be duplicated into your MEP model and monitored for changes. Step 21. Finish copy/monitor. Click Finish to complete the grid copying process. Step 22. Switch to a plan view. Open level 1. MEP from the floor plans. Step 23. Set discipline to coordination. Again, set the discipline to coordination so all linked elements are visible. Step 24. Select a grid in the linked model. Click on one of the architectural grids in the linked model. Step 25. Move the grid. Use the Move tool to shift the grid slightly. This simulates a design change coming from the architectural team. Step 26. Reload the link. Go to the Manage tab and open Manage Links. Reload the architectural model. Step 27. Observe the coordination warning. When the link reloads, Revit detects the grid movement and triggers a coordination monitor warning. Step 28. Open Coordination Review. Go to the Collaborate tab and select Coordination Review. Step 29. Review the changes. You'll see the moved grid listed as a monitored element with a status indicating a change. Step 30. Choose an action. You can now choose one of the following actions: postpone, reject, accept difference, modify. Each option determines how your MEP model responds to the architectural change. Step 31. Add comments if needed. If you choose reject, add a comment explaining the reason. This is important for team communication. Step 32. Apply the action. Click Apply to confirm your decision. Step 33. Create a coordination report, which is optional. You can generate an HTML report summarizing all monitored changes and actions taken. This is useful for documentation and communication with other disciplines. Step 34. End of exercise.